Bye.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's like a Fed, second Eloge, and all of that. How are you guys doing? How was your week? Bro, we in another lockdown. Anyways, so in today's video, which is another hair video, yes, I know my bonnet is on wrong, but who cares? Anyways, it's gonna come off anyway. So in today's video, we're gonna be trying Nappy Foods avocado moisturizing deep conditioner. I'm very excited about this. As you know, my hair is my baby and I will do anything it takes. I will spend money on her so that she can always look amazing. So I've already pre-pooed. I pre-pooed with coconut oil, avocado oil, and almond oil. You do know I spritz my hair with water first to kind of, you know, help the penetrating moisture, to help the moisturizing oils penetrate into my hair, because you cannot oil bone dried hair. It's like taking dry rice, throwing it in a pot and adding oil and expecting it to do something. No, it's not going to do anything. It's just going to sit there and waste oil. So you have this moisturized spritz with water with aloe vera or fenugreek, and then you do that. Anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and shampoo with our Shikakai black soap shampoo. We're gonna go ahead and make the conditioner and then apply it, and I'll let you guys know what I think about it. Okay, so let's get pooing. Guys, so in this video, I'm making the preparation for Nappy Foods deep conditioner, but I want to let you guys know first, the aloe vera gel I used was from an aloe vera leaf. I just blended it and used like half of it, not half of it, like a quarter of it. I also want you guys to know that Nappy Food did not give any precise measurements to anything. What you see that I'm doing was eyeballed. I guessed it. To me, I thought this would not even be enough for my hair. So I would say that this recipe that I'm making is for armpit length hair. So if your hair is that long, is as long as mine, you can look to this video. If your hair is shorter, you can always go on Nappy Foods video. Just follow what we do, because there are no measurements, nothing. We just had to eyeball it. I apologize greatly for that, guys. Sorry.
Don't mind me, I'm going through it. Don't mind me, I'm going through it. Yeah. Don't mind me, I'm going through the motions. Oh yeah. I went broke, but I cannot be broken. I'ma take my shot, man, I'm wide open. God bless me, man, I'm chosen. So I do. Don't mind me, I'm going through it. I done been through it. Whoa. So be on my back, you was really not the broke. When you level up, certain people can't go. But now I'm ahead of the game. dark, yeah. It just breaks my heart, yeah. I just switch the vibes. They can't dim the light. They went on my side, yeah. It's gonna be alright. I've been living my life. Don't mind me, I'm going through the motions. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I went broke, but I cannot be broken. Can't be broken, can't be broken. I do. I'ma take my shot, man, I'm wide open. Yeah. God bless me, man, I'm chosen. Thank you, God. So I do. Don't mind me, I'm going through it. Rider, don't mind me, don't mind me, don't mind me, don't mind me, nah. Don't mind me, I'm going through it. Don't mind me, I'm going through it. Yeah, 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 yeah. Don't mind me, I'm going through the motions. My shop, man, I'm wide open. Yeah. God bless me, man, I'm chosen. So I do. Don't mind me, I'm going through it. I done been through it. I done been through it. Whoa. Told me on my bag, you was really not the broke. When you level up, certain people can't go. You know I'm ahead of the game. Switch the vibes, they can't dim the light. They was by my side, yeah, yeah. It's gonna be alright. I've been living my life. Don't mind me, I'm going through the motions. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I went broke, but I cannot be broken. Can't be broken, can't be broken. I do. I'ma take my shot, man, I'm wide open. God bless me, man, I'm chosen. Thank you, God. So I do. Don't mind me, I'm going through it. Yeah, tryna find my thoughts, yeah. Cause they bring me down, yeah. But it ain't my fault, yeah. Look at all my scars, yeah. Coming at you played your part, yeah. But I thank you, God, yeah.
Hola, ladies, I am back. Sorry for the 2-hour or hour-long wait. This is why normally I don't like rinsing my hair and then showering because I take so long. Yo, I was throwing in a full anyways, guys, so my thoughts on Nappy Foods avocado moisturizing deep conditioner. Love it. Love it. Why? I'm trying to take a look at the definition in my coils. Let me approach. See how I can see it. Do you see it? Do you see the definition? Please don't look at my nails. All nail salons are closed in Canada. I had some shellac and I tried to take off the shellac. I didn't have the right tools to take off the shellac. Then I went to the pharmacy to buy the tool to really take off the shellac. And turns out it wasn't an essential item, okay? But condoms were an essential item. Wow. But to keep my nails from looking ugly is not an essential item. Wow. But candy to give you cavities and diabetes is an essential item. Anyways, take a look at this. Do you see the definition? Look at do you see how each coil even when I moisturize my hair normally with my deep conditioner, it does not look so defined. And it only looks this defined when I add protein to my hair. I did do a protein video, but I lost the footage. But anyways, I'll have to do that again. I just love the fact that Nappy Foods, and yo, when I was rinsing it out, it felt so soft. I wanted to run my hands through my hair, but then I remember I'm 4C and we don't do that. We could, but I'm tender-headed, so we're not. Anyways, guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and style it normally how I style it. You know what I do, just gonna retwist it, add all my lock method ingredients and retwist it. So I just want to say that I like Nappy Foods ingredient, and I literally used the whole thing. Like, there was nothing literally left. I told you my hair might look short, but it's a lot. It swallows a lot. And it was so moist because what I did was I put it under the dryer for 30 minutes. And it was, like, I'm telling you, this does not happen with any other deep conditioner. It was so moist. I don't know, my hair absorbed it so well. It loved it so much that when I took the bonnet thingy off, and as I'm taking the plastic bag, yo, like a cup full of water fell on me. That's how much moisture was in that. Like, my hair just soaked up that moisture, and it was sweating that moisture out. Oh my goodness, it was amazing. It was amazing, amazing, amazing. Like, I love Nappy Foods moisturizing deep conditioner. You guys need to go and do that DIY moisturizing deep conditioner. I will be doing it again because I still have Greek yogurt, and I don't eat Greek yogurt. I don't eat yogurt at all. So I need to find a way to finish it. And let me tell ya, it's gonna be finished by doing Nappy Foods moisturizing deep conditioner. So thank you guys for watching with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I know I talk too much. This is how I am, especially when I'm happy. And yes, I look crazy, but nobody cares. I'm a 4C, so y'all need to get used to this. This is how 4C hair looks when you just finish washing it. Well, that's how mine looks. Especially when it's really grabbed moisture. Like, the shrinkage is crazy up here. Like, look, what is this? The shrinkage, like when my hair is real moisturized, it shrinks and looks like a mini afro. And you'll know how long it is when I stretch it. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, a like, please share it. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and subscribe to my channel, so when I release some new videos, you guys can know. Thank you so much for watching. May God bless. I would like to say enjoy this lockdown, but who enjoys a lockdown? Make the best of it, guys. But I do have some news for you guys. During this lockdown period, I'm going to be doing something more fun, which includes more hair videos. Because I'm telling you, I got to get elbow length hair. Not elbow length. Armpit length hair for my birthday. But I'm going to be doing some reaction videos. And what reaction videos? None of your business. You're going to find out when I put them up. Thanks for watching.
Had to switch the vibes, they can't dim the light, they went on my side.